make the custard, add milk to a pan, followed by cream and a vanilla pod. Slice down the centre of the pod. Using the dull side of your knife, gently scrape out the seeds. Now bring the milk and cream to a light simmer. Next, in a large bowl, add sugar to the egg yolks, followed by cornstarch. Now whisk until pale yellow. Gradually pour the hot mixture into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Pass the liquid through a sieve. Now heat gently, stirring with a wooden spoon until thick. When the custard coats the back of the spoon, it's ready.